In this tutorial, we will cover how to use the Remove Unwanted Characters node. This node can remove special characters, digits, and white spaces from selected columns. This can be used to clean data, prepare data for modeling, and make data more readable. Here in the node configuration pane, we first need to select the column or columns from which we want to remove the characters. First, we select a column on the left side of the pane, and then we use the green arrows to move them to either side. This node can also select multiple columns from which to remove characters. Next, we select the type of characters which we want removed. For a phone number, we want to remove all of the white spaces and all of the signs. Now we can execute this workflow. Here in the output page, first we can look at the phone column in its raw format. We can see that there are white spaces and that there are special characters which will make it more difficult to read in the future. After the Remove Unwanted Characters node executes, we can see that in the phone column, we no longer have any special symbols or white spaces. Thank you for listening.